Now, we had a couple of options when we went to do the headlights. Now, one, we could put a little elbow grease, polish these guys out, put them back on. Well, the owner wanted to go ahead and go with new. But if we did want to put the elbow grease in it, we had one more other issue, and that's one of these brackets was broken off. And this is where it attaches to the top of the rad support. So we've got a couple options here from JB Weld. Now, one of them is a syringe here. It's a 2-part mix, and ideally you put it right on the edges there, and it'd be good to go. Now, this part, because it's going to get strained a little bit, I'm thinking we've got these little ribs here and these little pockets, is maybe build up a little extra thickness and strength there to hold this thing together. So we're going to use the PlasticWeld. Now, this is awesome. It's a 2-part epoxy, and you essentially put on some rubber gloves, you cut off what you need, and then you can just work it. When it gets a uniform color, you can shape it and mold it. You can use it to, let's say, create a boss where there's a plastic part. It joins the 2 plastic parts together perfectly, but we can also get some structure. 700 PSI strength, up to 300 F temperature, so it's great for under the hood. So let me get this guy settled in here nicely and start going to work. Get this guy repaired, show you how you can save hundreds of dollars on your next sort of whoopsie. Man, it's as easy as silly putty. You guys remember that stuff. It was cool. You just mix it up, shape it in there however you like. You got about 20, 25 minutes working time. It cures in about 2 to 3 hours. And after that, you can sand it, you can saw it, you can drill it, you can do whatever you need to shape it. Like I said, if you need to make a boss or another feature, in this case, might do a quick scuff and a paint. And that's it, guys. That's simple. Easy way to fix, like I said, hundreds of dollars worth of parts. All right, we're gonna get back on that fascia, get that thing back on the car and looking good.